Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. In the previous tutorial, we saw how to add shapes, mainly ellipse and circle. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to add polygons and stars to our image. So this is the image we finished with yesterday. Let's continue on the same image. So to add shape, go on to the shapes icon below the cursor icon. Long press it to select polygon tool. Once you select a polygon tool, you get complete control in the toolbar over here. You can change the color. Let's change the color to blue or a shade of blue. After selecting, click OK. Now in the toolbar, click on the settings icon. Using this, you can either make a polygon or a star. So right now a star is checked. So we will be making a star. And if you want the smooth corners, we can check this checkbox. So as you can see, a star with rounded corners or smooth corners has been made. Now a star without rounded corners with like 5 sharp corners is made. If you don't want a star, then again go to the settings icon and just uncheck the star toolbox. As you can see, now a pentagon has been made, and we can also change a number of size. Now let's make a star of 7 sides. So again clicking on star option and a star of 7 sides is created. And when we uncheck the star, a heptagon shape is created. So if we make if we check the rounded corners, as you can see, if you make a polygon with smooth corners, a circle like shape is created. It is not exactly a circle, but it looks like a circle because the edges are smooth, the corners are smooth. Press the shortcut Ctrl plus Z to undo the shapes. We don't need all these shapes in our poster. I just made them for you to understand. Now if you want to know that what indent sides by option means, let's make a star of 24 sides and change the indentation to 80%. So go to setting and change the indent sides by, let's type 80%. So a shape like this will be created. So this has 24 corners and indentation is 80. Now let's make it 15 or let's say 14. So our indentation is 14. So a shape like this is created where the number of sides is 24, the number of corners is 24 and the indentation is 14. To make our poster, we need a star of 24 sides and indentation. Let's keep it as 34. So the shape that we want is created. Now we just don't want this color, so let's change the color. Let's select any color. So let's keep this color and just place it over here in the corner. After placing also you can change the color. So if you want to change the color, tap on tap on the layer, double tap it, and again from this hue slider, select any color that you want. So if we select orange color, we can click OK, and as you can see the color is still changed just as we wanted. That's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe 52 Pixels and click on the bell icon. Also like and comment on this video. Thank you for watching 52 Pixels.